If you think you need a UAE residency to buy property in Dubai, you're wrong. Welcome to 60 Seconds with Zorro. So anyone can actually buy property in Dubai as long as it's in a freehold location, no matter the residency status. So the process itself is fairly straightforward. You actually select a property, go through the process of buying it and registering it with Dubai Land Department, and then you own the property outright. The only point that really changes is the financing element. So if you are to leverage a property with a mortgage, the loan to value ratios can change. So the banks tend to offer a slightly lower loan to value than if you were a resident. Also, another thing to keep in mind is actually managing the property. So if you are overseas, you would have a property manager in Dubai, such as ourselves at Aqua Properties, who would look after the day-to-day needs of the tenant, the landlord, the payments, etc. So in conclusion, absolutely yes, you can own a property in Dubai regardless of your residency status, and we are seeing this on a daily basis from investors all over the world.